Okay, guys, look what I just got in the mail. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Roseanna. So in today's video, yes ma'am, this is what I just got. I just got in the mail. So that is what we're going to be doing today. But before we get into that video, I would love for you to subscribe to my channel. You could ring the bell. It would give you notifications of when I post, which is every Tuesday and every Saturday. So yep, like, make comments, tell your friends, subscribe, help a newbie out. I would so appreciate your support. And thank you so much for helping me grow this channel. And now without further ado, let's get started. Okay, I'm like so super excited. Yeah, I know you always say that, but for real, I already have all my makeup on, well, most of it anyway. And yeah, let's get into this. This is so beautiful. This is the new Natasha Denona Mini Starlight palette. It is so friggin' beautiful. In particular, this color right over here. Let me just... it's beautiful. Oh my god, it is so friggin' pretty. Look at that. Isn't it beautiful? I know these colors are repeats, but I don't have either one of the palettes. This is so beautiful. Again, in particular, I love these colors, like that kind of like mauve-y, like purplish, grayish, I don't know-ish, but I love this color right over here. I did see Patty Alonso, I'll put her right over here. She did two different eyes. She did one a halo and another one just like a regular one, so I really think I'm going to try that. So I'm so excited. Let's watch them. Now, the other names on these, yes, there's Nude Mauve, Galaxia, Vega, Ria, and Per Se. Beautiful. So if any of you guys do not have Natasha Denona, I encourage you to just start off with these mini ones. I mean, they are $27. I mean, still five shadows for $27 is pricey, but her formula is so good. Anyway, let's watch these little lovers. Ooh, they are yeah, these friggin' mattes, they are so buttery and delicious. Wow. So these are the swatches right here. I hope the light doesn't wash them out too much. Let's try them on. I'm so excited. Yep, we're going to do two different eyes. My brushes are dirty. What else is new? Okay, so I'm going to take this color right over here. This is Vega, I think. I always get confused about the colors left and right and left. So I'm going to take my BK Beauty 201, and I'm going to just put it all over my lid. Okay, this is a very pretty color. I know, girl, you just swiped it. How do you say that? Because her formulas are so beautiful. I know, so simple. That is so pretty. I'm gonna just take it all over the lid, all the way up to my brow. I do have hooded eyes, so I have to create my own crease. That is so pretty. That is so pretty. I want to take a thinner brush. I'm going to take the 211 because I want to get more there of an intensity, like right here. That is pretty. Okay, going in with the lover right over here. This is Per Se. So beautiful. And actually, I think I'm going to stick with the 211 brush. I'm going to just pack it on, and I'm going to just start on the outer edge right over here to start creating a shadowy effect right here. And it gives me more, it just gives me a lot of dimension if you put like the darkest shade like out here, and then when you start shaping it, it either creates like a cat eye effect, a smoky effect. It all depends what you want to do with it. So we are doing a halo effect, and the halo basically is that you put the darkest shade on the on this edge and also on this edge, and then you have like that beautiful shimmer in the middle. So that's what I want to do on this eye. I'm trying to keep this down. Okay, we will come back to that and blend that out with the first brush. I just want to take a even smaller brush. I'm going to take this BK Beauty Angie Hot and Fleshy, the A504, taking that same color, and I'm going to just start building right over here on this side. Okay, so you see that? I just placed it. We're going to blend that in, obviously, up on top, but I just wanted to bring it up high enough. That is pretty. We're going to go in with this shade right over here, and that is Galaxia. Oof, look how pretty that is. Isn't that beautiful? Ooh, that's so nice. Now I'm going to just start tapping. I'm just tapping. Ooh, ooh, that is so pretty. Wow, that is beautiful. I love Natasha Denona. I love her formula. I love these minis. Look how beautiful that is. Ooh, that is gorgeous. That's beautiful. I love her minis. I'm going to go back in with the original brush, and then I'm going to start blending right in here. That's beautiful. I love this color. It is so pretty. I just want to deepen this up a little. You know what? I think I'm going to take a flat brush. I'm going to take a flat brush. This is the 203. And I'm going to pile it on the side because I want to deepen that up a little bit. Yes, that is so pretty. I think I'm going to wet my finger because I want that shimmer in the middle to be a little bit more intensified. So I'm going to just spray my finger. For me personally, I really like to use my fingers. I like to use my hands. That is just so pretty. And again, I'm just tapping. I'm not sweeping. Ooh, that is so beautiful. Okay, that is gorgeous. Let me finish the eye. We'll put some eyeliner on, mascara. I'm going to smoke out underneath, and then I'll show you the final look on this eye. Okay, so this is the first eye look of using the new Natasha Denona Mini Starlight Palette. I love this. It is so beautiful. Ooh. Oh, I really, really love this palette. It is so beautiful and everyday, yet something special. Like this color over here really knocks it out of the park. I think it's so beautiful. For me personally, because I love these colors. Ooh, that is gorge. Ooh, that is so, so pretty. Okay, listen, I have to go out later on. I'm going to have two different eyes, and I really don't care. So we're going to go back into the original color. I'm going to take this color over here again, the Vega, and I'm going to just put it all over my lid, just like I did this side. Damn, I really love this color. And as a matter of fact, let me just go back a little bit more. I'm going to take this color over here. This one is the Nude Mauve. And I just want to place that in my natural crease. So I'm going to just place that in here. And I just want to show you. So I'm going into my natural crease. I'm just going back and forth, sweeping motions. Okay, so I'm in my natural crease. If I'm looking at you like this, you can't see it. Unless I look down barely, but you can't see it. So what I do, and anybody who has hooded eyes, you just have to create your own. Keep your eye open. I'm going to keep it open and look straight ahead, but like in here, so I can see where eventually I will be able to see it. So I'm going to go right above, and I'm actually hitting my brow bone. I'm not going underneath. I'm like right on top of it. So do you see now that you could see it a little bit more? That is so pretty. I'm just going to go back in with the original brush, and I'm going to just keep going a little bit higher. That is so beautiful. Now I'm going to go in with a smaller brush, and I'm going to pick up that per se again, and I'm going to start building here. That's beautiful. Pretty. This palette runs a little bit warmer than it looks like. I know a lot of people have said that, but every time I saw it, I'm like, no, it looks pretty cool, but it runs a little bit warmer than the pictures show. But in my opinion, you can get away with creating like a cool look like we did on this side, and this would be like a warmer side. So you could really get away with both. This is so pretty. Who's talking? Am I losing my mind? Who the hell's talking? There's nobody here but me and him. But you know, I live in a cul-de-sac, so it's like you sneeze and the whole friggin' neighborhood hears you. This is so beautiful. Really, really pretty. I'm gonna go in with Galaxia, and I think I'm gonna spray my brush because I really want that intensity right over here. So not only am I gonna use it in my inner corner, because I will, but I wanna use it on like this inner third right over here of my eye, my moving eyelid, like right here. Oh, that's so pretty. Oh, look at that. That's so pretty. That is so beautiful. That's so pretty. Wow, that's really nice. I'm gonna just go in with this brush. This is the 209. I'm gonna just take that Rhea because I just want to make sure that I blend this. I blend the two. I don't want it like to stop and start. Yeah. I'm gonna go back in with this color right here. That's beautiful. Wow, that is so nice. I want to take this up a little bit higher. I'm gonna go back in with the first color. Well, yep, that's what I want. Right over here. I might as well do it here while I'm here. This is a beautiful palette, and the more I am playing with it, the more I am realizing that yes, you could absolutely do a cool look or a warm one. I'm taking the Natasha Denona, my favorite, and I grabbed the N3 because you know I have the N1 as well, and I'm gonna just blend it in with my dry e.l.f. camo sponge. I like to use that dry. I mean, this concealer is unbelievable. You don't even have to, I don't even have to set it, but anyway, I'm going to go back in. I'm going to take that's gold color. I'm going to take that gold color Rhea and run it underneath my lash line. Yeah. Oh man, this is such a beautiful palette. Oh, isn't that so pretty? Nice. Okay, I'm going to do the rest of my makeup. I'm going to go in with my eyeliner, mascara, and then I'll show you the final look for both sides. So this is the final look of the second look. I used every color on this side. It looks so beautiful. I love that gold shimmer underneath. Ooh, you know I love shimmer underneath. That is so pretty. I'm going to come closer to you and I'm going to show you the two looks that I created. This side, I used the halo technique. To me, in my opinion, it looks a lot cooler. And on this side, I just used every color in the palette and I think it created a warmer look. What do you guys think? So these are the two looks. I think this palette is beautiful. This could be like an everyday palette. It could be a bridal palette. It could be like a night out on a date kind of palette. I think it's very, very versatile. Oh, it looks so pretty. I think they both look so, so beautiful. But you know I'm a cool girl. You know that. So I really love this look that I created on this side, this halo look. It looks so pretty. I love them both. I really, really do. But anyway, so that is it, guys. This is my video on the new Natasha Denona Mini Starlight palette. It's beautiful. I think it's beautiful. I encourage you to pick this up if you haven't tried Natasha Denona. This is a great little start. It's beautiful. Oh, I love it. Anyway, so that is it, guys. This is my video. Thank you so, so much for sharing your time with me. And as always, you guys be good to each other, love each other, and have a great, great day. Bye.